Hi everyone, we are going to make a high protein tofu scramble today. I will list out the ingredients for you here. Let's get started.
You're gonna take half a red onion and dice that into small pieces. Then you're gonna take half a red bell pepper and do the same. And lastly, you're gonna take 4 to 5 white mushrooms and dice that into small pieces. Next, for your dry spices, you're gonna take half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of dhana jeeru. This is optional, but it gives it a lot of good flavor. Half a tablespoon of curry powder, and half a tablespoon of garam masala. A few optional spices, black pepper and black salt to kind of give it that eggy taste. In a large skillet, you're gonna use a neutral oil and then add in your onions and add a dash of salt to your onions. Saute that on medium-high heat until the onions are fully cooked through. You'll see them become brown, and then add in your red bell pepper with another pinch of salt to that as well. Saute that for a couple of minutes. Then add in your mushrooms. Let that cook on low to medium heat for a few minutes until the mushrooms are fully cooked through. You can use really any veggies in this recipe. These are just the ones that I used. Once that's cooked, you're gonna take your extra firm tofu and crumble the pieces right over the veggies. Add in your spices on top of the tofu, and don't forget to add some salt as well. Season to your liking. You can try it and then add more salt as needed. Coat the tofu with the spices that you just added and reduce the heat to low. Cook that for a few minutes and then you're done. It's as easy as that. I like to eat mine with some slices of avocado.